Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, you have seen about a static variable, instance variables, static methods and instance methods with a class, how to declare them and how to call them multiple times and all. So in today's video, we'll be seeing about what is a constructor and how a constructor can be used. So let me create a new Python file called as constructor. So I have a constructor.py file here. So what is a constructor actually? So a constructor is a special kind of method. It is a kind of method only, guys. It is a kind of method which is used to initialize the instance variables of a class. A constructor is a special kind of method which is used to initialize the instance variables of a class. Okay guys, so again let me tell you what is a constructor. It is a special kind of method which is used to initialize the instance variables of a class. So constructor should always be underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So this is mandatory, guys. Only then the Python will recognize it as a constructor. So the name should be always the same name. Okay guys. Now what type of this method? This type of method is also called as dunder method. This kind of method is also called as dunder method. Dunder method. Dunder is nothing but double underscore. Okay guys. So the methods like this with dunder methods or double underscore methods, these are also called as magic methods. These are also called as magic methods. So similarly, like the instance methods, constructor will also have a default parameter called as self here. Like we have an instance method here, that is the def display self. Similarly, in the same way, we'll also have underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So this is the constructor, guys. This is how we define a constructor. As I've told you, constructors will take self as the default parameter or the argument, default argument or the default parameter. It will take self as the default argument or default parameter. Okay guys, so how is a constructor called? We need not call a constructor separately, like we call these particular methods here, like we are calling this particular method separately here. We need not call a constructor like that. So by default, a constructor is called whenever the object is created. Constructor is called automatically when the object is created. So when we create an object for a class, it will automatically, the constructor will automatically be called. Okay guys. So now let me show you one small example on constructors. Before creating a constructor here, I need to create a class. Without creating a class, constructor is of no use. So let me create a class here, class student, as we have been seeing in the past videos, colon def underscore underscore init with a self keyword as a default keyword, then print hello, I am a constructor. Okay, now in the same way we'll define one instance method here, def show with the self print hello, I am a instance method. Okay guys, so whenever I create an object for the student class, the constructor will automatically be called s equals to student. So as you can see, I'm just running this program. You can see where I have just created the object for the student class here. The moment I created, it is automatically printing hello, I am constructor. After that, I'll call s.show and run this program. You can see hello, I am a constructor, hello, I am an instance method. So even though I do not write this show method, if I create an object for this class, student class, and run this program, you can see it is executing hello, I am a constructor. This particular method is executing by default. So the only difference between a constructor and a method instance method is constructor will always have this particular name, that is underscore underscore init underscore underscore, whereas the instance method, the name for the instance method changes according to a requirement. We can use whatever name we need. Okay guys, so hope you have understood guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Thank you.